Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh. I've done research of 23 years in the field of astrology, numerology, and Vastu. I started the channel, The Ancients, in February 2021 to share with you the very essence or extracts of astrology, numerology, and Vastu so that you can live a life filled with good health, good fortune, prosperity, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones. All those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel or have come onto the channel for the first time, could I request you kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them to subscribe too so that they too can derive the benefits of the very essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu which I bring for you. Coming back to the main topic of the day, Sindoor or vermilion. It is used by Hindu women to adorn on their forehead for the long life and good health of their husbands. Now, Sindoor or vermilion is considered very sacred in Hinduism. You know why? Let me share with you the story of Hanumanji and Ma Sita. One day, Hanumanji saw Ma Sita putting vermilion on her forehead. So he asked her, Mate, why do you put this sindoor on your forehead? So Ma replied that I wear sindoor on my forehead for the good health and long life of my husband Lord Ram. Hanumanji heard her out and then started thinking, if a chutki bar sindoor, little bit of sindoor can make so much of difference, I will put this total sindoor all over my body so that Lord Ram lives forever and he is always has good health. He then took sindoor and put it all over his body and went to the court. There Lord Ram saw him along with all the courtiers, and the query was raised as to why he has put sindoor on his body. Hanumanji replied, Mata Lakshmi puts a chutki bar sindoor on her forehead for your long life and good health. So I have put on my complete body sindoor so that you are eternal and your good health is eternal. Lord Ram blessed Hanumanji. Since then, vermilion and sindoor is considered very sacred for Hindus. Now, it has multiple beneficial effects. You can use vermilion to overcome multiple difficulties in life. Let me share with you a few astrological totkas or tips for solving all your problems in life. If you have many obstacles and troubles coming into your life one after the other, mix vermilion or sindoor with jasmine oil and for 5 continuous Tuesdays and Saturdays, take this to Hanumanji Mandir and put this jasmine oil and sindoor on him. Your troubles will disappear like this. If you feel that society people do not respect you and you are not honored, take alam, or as we call it fitkari, and vermilion. Put it on a betel leaf and put all these 3 together, press it under the peepal tree with a big stone. Don't look back when you are walking and see the effects of it. Your respect will increase in society. Vastu defects. With jasmine oil and vermilion or sindoor as we call it, or with ghee and sindoor, draw swastik on your main door. All your Vastu defects, Vastu problems will be resolved. If you want to enhance your prosperity, after doing pujas daily, the same vermilion which you have used in puja, take a little bit of that and put it on your main door. Your prosperity will enhance substantially. If you want peace, happiness, and prosperity, place a Ganeshji facing your main door and put little vermilion on Ganeshji's forehead every day, especially on Wednesdays. Your house will be blessed with peace, happiness, and prosperity. If you want to get away from debts which you are facing difficulty to pay, put little vermilion on a coconut and tie a red cloth to it and worship this daily. Your debts will start reducing. If you want a good job, on Tuesday, go to Hanumanji's mandir, take little bit sindoor from his feet and on a white sheet of paper draw a swastik and keep this piece of paper with you all the times. You will find stability in your job and growth in your job. Another solution to get away from debts is take sindoor and jasmine oil and as per your age, take that many number of people leaves. Suppose your age is 23, take 23 people leaves and on these people leaves with sindoor and jasmine oil write Ram, Ram, Ram and place it on Hanumanji's temple every Tuesday. See your debts going away. A word of precaution for all of you. Women should not offer sindoor to Hanumanji because sindoor is kept by married women for their husband. So, women should use red flowers only. And for men, a word of precaution is never offer sindoor to the goddesses. Instead, pray to them either with haldi or with red flowers. Women are never to offer sindoor to Hanumanji and men are never to offer sindoor to goddesses. Friends, today I have shared with you multiple astrological tips, totkas to overcome multiple problems in your life. I am sure you get a lot of information from all my videos on astrology, numerology and Vastu on your channel, The Ancients. I request you once again, kindly do subscribe to the channel so that you are benefited from the extracts and essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu knowledge which I share with you. Also, please share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them to subscribe so that they too can get the benefits through the information and knowledge which I share with you. Friends, till we meet again with another very informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. Good luck, all the best, stay safe. And before I say goodbye, I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers for making a difference to the channel. Goodbye.